Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard till you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing.
Hi everyone, in this video I built the third and final creation of this Lego creator set called Musical Home Decor. It consists of a piano keyboard, a stand with flowers, and a mini post-it board with notes written. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next video.